We're down to the final section. You guys have made it to the end. You've made a claim. You've collected all this evidence and this really cool data. You've graphed it, and now we're down to just proving it. We are going to prove which toy went fastest. The cool part about this one is we already have 2/3 of it done. We can kind of copy and paste. So for the claim, I did say the capybara was going to go fastest. It actually did. But if we get down to it, and the chicken went faster, I could write that the chicken went faster here, right? My claim in the beginning could be wrong. It was just a brainstorming idea. It's totally okay to be wrong. And it's really okay to be wrong in science. I am wrong a lot of the time. Okay, but the capybara, what did I say? See, I can't remember. Let's go up and copy and paste. I think that's actually a way better idea. Oh, I didn't capitalize it up here, did I? The capybara is going to have a faster speed than the chicken. The capybara, let's say had. The capybara had a faster speed than the chicken. Great. Well, now I need some evidence. Now, because we're using data, I'm going to pull my evidence right here with the data. If I was doing research, this would be a really good place for a quote. A quote from a textbook, a quote from a scientific article, a quote from a scientific video. But I got to do this one all on my own with my data. So I'm going to just copy and paste this down here for my evidence. And then, if you look, guys, I have like 2/3 of a paragraph already done. I don't like it that they're not on the same page. Let's do that. Now, we have one more thing we have to do. We have to explain why. And I will be totally honest with you. The reasoning part of this claim evidence reasoning thing is always the most interesting to me because the claims are pretty easy. They're just a statement. The evidence is something that you pull from someplace else, right? Whether that's research or data. The reasoning is where I get to hear what you think as a person. So why did the capybara go faster than the chicken? Well, the capybara faster than the chicken because, here's my because, it's a newer toy. It isn't, oh boy, it isn't as old. What is with this weird little arrow here? Oh, to make the table. There we go. It isn't as old and broken as the chicken. This poor chicken doesn't get capitalized ever, does he? Chicken is. So the capybara's gears probably work better. That is why, notice I'm going to do a little concluding sentence here. That is why the capybara is faster than the chicken. Done. That's it. Okay. So I have my claim. It's my statement. I have my evidence. It's a summary of my data. I have my reasoning. It's me explaining what I think happened. Science is so cool because there's all this really interesting stuff to learn, but it also has a lot of you in it. What do you think happened? Why do you think it happened? All right. Good luck with all this. You guys can do it.